What is up, everybody? How we doing? How we doing? Crypto Cruise in the house. Ty in the house. What is going on? Hello, hello. Let's get these gains. Let's get them, Cody. Let's get them. All right, checking out Bitcoin on the 4-hour. Bitcoin's just running. Just running. You love to see it. Are we rich yet, Max? We're getting close. We're getting close. We're getting close here. We did have one weird dip today, which sadly, the first trade I put in to basically establish myself on the copy trading got stopped out. Luckily, none of you were in that, so that's good. Dubai is calling. Okay, all right. Now, let's all stay focused. The target for Bitcoin is still up here around $115,000. So, we still got some room to run here. We still got plenty of room before the measured move is done. 41% more. Moonvember is starting out pretty good in my opinion. But we are getting overbought on the 4-hour. We will have to worry about a CME futures gap. So remember that. Things to worry about when the markets are open. I'm not sure if markets are actually open tomorrow though, because it is a holiday. It's Veterans Day. I don't know if it's a national holiday though. But yeah, anyways, just got to get the bearish things out of the way. Just got to get them out of the way. Thai markets are open. They do open. Well, shit. That sucks. Well, let's go ahead and check and see where this gap is going to be. BTC 1? I think that's what it is. Yep, CME futures right there. So let's go ahead and check where the gap is. Oh man, $77,815. So yeah, definitely keep that in mind when the markets open. We have a massive gap here. Massive gap. Gaps tend to get filled. So we could see a pullback tomorrow. Doesn't mean we can't rally tonight, but tomorrow we are expecting that breather. So be prepared for that. Massive. Coinbase hit $300 in overnight trading. Do you TA on crypto stocks? Yeah, I can check out the stocks. That's fine. You want me to check out coin? We can do that. Let me look at the heat map real quick. Let's check out the heat map here. So on your daily, we have liquidated a lot of shorts. We just have one more pocket up here. 81,966. That is $51 million sitting up there. So that's something we got to pay attention to. Looking at your weekly time frame, the shorts got destroyed. And there's not even that many longs left over. The longs have been covering. That's insane. It's absolutely insane. So tomorrow is going to be very interesting to see what happens with the market. Considering the CME futures gap, considering how overheated the indicators are, I'm going to expect a pullback. I'm going to expect it, but won't be surprised if shorts keep getting wrecked. So just so you know. So that's what I'm seeing out of Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin, it could run, it could stall out. It's up there, man. We're overbought on the daily now, so a cool off is expected. Checking out your 15-minute. 15-minute, not overbought, but putting in lots of hidden bearish divergence. Lots of hidden bearish divergence. So, simply put, we have a new trend line. Once we break this trend line, you would be looking for shorts. So, that is what I see with Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and check out Coin real fast because Coinbase apparently is doing things. Let's go out to the daily because it is a stock. Checking out Coin. So Coinbase on the verge of a breakout. On the verge of a... Oh no, I take it back. Has broken out. So Coinbase, we're expecting it to get up to $348. So Coinbase stock looking pretty solid. You're not overbought yet, but also the stock market's a little irrational. They will just buy. They'll just buy because it's a market open and Bitcoin did well over the weekend. Wouldn't surprise me at all if Bitcoin pulls back while coin goes up. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. But coin is on a fresh breakout right now, and that's really good. We do have a gap here. I don't know if coin gets gap fills or not, but the gap starts at $195. So if you do get pulled down to that, it's okay. It doesn't look like all of them get filled. You have a gap right here that never got filled. So who knows? Maybe they don't care about the gaps on coin because it's a stock. Who knows? But yeah, next target, 348. Just ready and waiting. Ready and waiting. All right, let's go into BNB. BNB token still chugging along. Sui to 420 tonight. Could be. Definitely could be. If BTC goes up, yeah, definitely could. I mean, it's a hot market right now, so just be careful going into Monday. Just be careful. Now, BNB token really looks like it wants to get a nice short squeeze going. However, we are sitting at resistance. We're there. We're not overbought on the daily. Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hour, not overbought anymore. Looks like it wants to break out. BNB token, don't sleep on it. You could see this thing trading at $841 during this week. You could see it. Thing is ready to break on out. I love to see that. I did take a trade. I ended up telling you all about it in Discord, as well as I made a video. So, Big Time, I'm currently in a 25x long on Big Time. And looks like the trade's going all right. Profit taking is right up here, right above this level. But the next level after is obnoxiously high. It is obnoxiously high, just so I can show my work. We're up 138% right now. So, 25x long, we're in there. We're in there like swimwear. Let's see it, Big Time. Let's see it. I want Big Time to do some big time things. That's what I want. 4 hour, not overbought. Stochastic's cooked. But let's check that 1 hour. 1 hour looking damn good for more upside. Damn good on the 1 hour. Looking great. Anyways, let's go down to Doge. The Doge. Damn, Doge is killing it. Doge is absolutely killing it. Look at this thing. So, as I mentioned before, the target, if we got above this, was 34 cents. That's insane. Dogecoin is unstoppable right now. Absolutely unstoppable. If you break 34 cents, I don't even know where this thing's going. I don't have a clue. Caspa surprised us all. It did. It finally moved. Everybody was talking trash about Caspa. That's all it needed. A little rocket fuel. AVAX still sleeping? Max, AVAX started moving. Did you not see that? You bought some AVAX? Nice, nice. AVAX started moving. Alright, so I would expect Dogecoin at this 34 cent level to take a breather. I would expect that. But we do have some support sitting around here. We do have support sitting around here. Well, I guess and resistance, but we got right there at 31,357. And we also have this right here, if I get it right. There we go. 28,026. You're above the 28,026. Looking to test the next one. But yeah, Dogecoin's doing fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Anyways. Let's go down to Ethereum, because I'm pretty sure Ethereum continued its move. Oh, had a nice little pullback. Oh, never mind. I'm looking at the weekly chart. That's stupid of me. But we are getting even closer to that 3,351 level. We are very close to it. Daily is starting to look a little bit overbought. Your weekly has plenty of room to run. Plenty of room on the weekly. Your 4 hour, oh my gosh. Resetting the stochastic with 8 hours of sell pressure. That's all it took. Oh my. Ethereum. About to make some people cry that they didn't get in down here. That's wild. Big move for Ethereum. Very big move for Ethereum the past couple days. All right, we're gonna go down, check Solana, then Sui, and then we'll move on to other things. Actually, OP, how you doing? Not bad. The new copy trade I got into for the copies is OP, and it's looking pretty solid. How much Bitcoin, ETH, and alts do you hold as a percentage bias? 50% is Bitcoin. I don't hold much ETH. I transferred all that into Solana. And for other alts, so I think for Solana, I would say it's, I guess technically 10%, and the rest are other alts. But yeah, 50% is Bitcoin. That's really what I focus on. So yeah. What's recommended at this time? Well, at this very second, you're going to want to be more heavy on altcoins. Like, you would want to transfer things around because alts are finally starting to move. So as they play catch up, they're going to outpace Bitcoin. And as Bitcoin consolidates, yeah, you're going to want these alts right now. So I'm going to have to do some reallocation this week, which will be a little rough. For the copy traders out there, I guess nobody's copy trading yet, but I'm in this trade just to up my stats real quick for OP. Looking to take profit at 178. Just got to get those stats up. Got to get those stats up, baby. 60% is peak divergence for Bitcoin. Can you see it going higher this cycle? Not really. Not until we start entering the bear market. When we start entering the bear market and alts just start dissolving, that's usually when you see Bitcoin's dominance go sky high. So, yeah. And then you'll have a dead cat bounce with all the alts. So people will be like, altcoin season's back. They'll think it's going to new highs. They're not. And then as they set that lower high, it's a great time to get all the way out of alts. Great time to get out right then. I wonder what percentage of the top 100 will go back to all-time highs? Probably all of them. Probably all of them. No. The top 100 is a big deal. It's probably all of them will hit their all-time highs and then some. Yeah, Ty, just oof. You'll see. you will see. The bull run's crazy. It's actually crazy. What you're seeing right now, expect this for a prolonged period of time. Coming, yo, what's up, Pimosa? How you doing? I guess I need more altcoins. Since the alts are now recovering, it's kind of a good idea. Where's my Solana? Sol, where are you at? There you are. Alright, Solana's hanging out at 211. You're feeling Lambo, Pimosa? Uh-oh. Don't say that. God, now I feel like selling everything. Stop it. Don't say that. Those are bad words. Jerk. Alright. Got out of these all-time highs. Got out of the overbought territory on the 4 hour for Solana. Solana's still working its way up to 225. It's almost there, guys. It's almost there. What's going to happen tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. EST? I'm guessing a sell-off. We have a CME futures gap. It would be better that we took care of that gap sooner than later because Wall Street's a bunch of buttholes. Porky! What's up, Pimosa? What's up? How you doing? I've been trading in and out of Kava the past couple days. Cody, I'm holding a ton of Kava. So I appreciate you doing that. Keep doing that. Keep buying Kava. I've been holding Kava for nearly a year. I'm ready to get out of it. I'm really ready. I want to hear Moon. Hey man, we're not here for your feelings. We're here for dollars and cents, bro. You might as well be ready for a pullback rather than be surprised. Alright, Sui has hit its green line. It has hit the green line. Fine. Yeah, no, I know people don't like to hear bearish things, but also it's like, do you really want to be caught off guard like that? Do you? I sure don't. So, I'm not going to lie to myself. Opening short. I wouldn't say do that. You don't know. It could pump tomorrow and then sell off Tuesday. You have no idea. What's my biggest hold? Technically Bitcoin. Closing short. Oh, here we are. But yeah, so Sui is hitting its overhead resistance. This thing has been acting as resistance for a while now, so if we do finally start to come down for Sui, it would make sense. It could come all the way down to this green line down here. We will see what happens, but if Bitcoin sharply pulls back, I think it's going to drag this entire market down, scare a lot of people, and then we're going to continue up like crazy. But if this breaks to the upside, this gets a little crazy because you then have to measure it kind of like this. With an upsloping level of support, you could see that 421 happening. So whoever said 420, Cody said it. Yeah, Cody, you might have called it if we get that breakout. Let's see what the 1 hour says. I don't know if your 1 hour is giving you that little call there. I don't know, because you see the hidden bearish divergence while at resistance. This is prime time for a short. It is prime time for a short. High stochastic, hidden bearish divergence, under trend. It's gonna take some buying, like a lot of buying pressure to break above this. So I wish the best of luck to Sui. I will not short you. I will just watch and see what happens. Best of luck to you. Oh yeah, I moved my stop loss up on Myro. Never should have done that. Never should have moved my stop loss up because this stupid little coin wicked down to stop out my new higher stop loss. Just wicked right in there. Got me out of there. I got out with only like 13% gains. I was so angry because I was up pretty big on this trade. It was a 35x long from down here. It was all the way up. It wicked me out. Now it's shooting up again. That makes me so very mad. What up, degenerates? What's up, Crash? This one pissed me off. Because if I didn't move my stop loss up, I would have still been in the trade, would have been safe, would have been going for the glory. But no, I'm out of the trade. I did not re-enter. I was out on date night with my wife. So I missed the entry. So irritating. So irritating. But that little wick, God, it like stopped out all of my trades. And I was like, you know what? That felt like a liquidity grab. That's annoying. It's so very annoying. It is what it is. Also, by the way, just a word of advice, everyone, when it comes to what's the all-time high for Myro? I'm not sure. I'll go back to it real quick. We're getting a breakout on Kava. Next target, 46.59. If you break 46.59, $1.20. Kava's looking really good for massive upside. Absolute massive upside. Just giving a little PSA out there. Let's go back to Myro real fast. All-time high for Myro. The all-time high was sitting at 44,841. And so about a 4x from where you're at right now. About a 4x. So I made that video earlier today about big time. Simply because it looks so beautiful on the chart. Looked absolutely beautiful on the chart. Even on the weekly. I mean, look at this thing. You had that great falling wedge. You came out of it. Now you're starting to go up. Actually, I was looking at my other chart for this on OKX. Yeah, this is where I decided to make the trade. So we had like 3173 or 217% upside on big time. I probably have my profit taking a little too low, but you know what? After I got stopped out randomly today, I'm gonna just play it cautious. Just playing it cautious. GFI? I don't know what GFI is. We'll check it out. We will check it out. Looks like Big Time's trying to take a little breather. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. Don't take a breather. Keep running. All right, GFI. Goldfinch. Goldfinch. Well, you broke out of your falling channel. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Oh, you just retook your 50 simple on the daily? That's crazy. That is actually crazy. Did you reset? Oh, it's trying to reset its 4-hour right now. You're going to want to wait for the indicators to reset, but I could very much see this thing rallying on up to $3.35. Could see it. For you degenerate traders out there, let's get a whole trade going for this. So you would be looking at it sort of kinda like this. Low to high, there you go. So your first target, $2.60. This is only if you want to start like stringing together a lot of trades. 34% upside as a target. Looks like you had one low, second low. I would have a stop loss right below that, sitting at 175.9. Hopefully that holds. Let's go down to your 15-minute. Oh, it looks like it will hold. You might even be able to have a higher stop loss. Hold on there. You can see this downtrend right here. You've broken out of it. You have a low stochastic. This bad boy's ready to rip, baby. Ready to rip. So yeah, I'd be looking for that 34% to play out. And if it continues up, I mean, anywhere between 34, 66, and 73% upside. GFI looks really good. Really good. I like seeing that. You know, I just realized none of my timers are popping up. Am I logged in? I'm logged in. CloudBot's active. Let's go, CloudBot. Where we at? Where we at? Alright. So let's check out AVAX, because I feel like I completely forgot about checking that. Let's go look at it. So, AVAX here. AVAX has started its move. Has started. Anybody trying to talk crap about my AVAX? I hold a lot of AVAX also. I love AVAX. I really do. But we are looking for 39.14. We are on the move, baby. A little overbought on the 4-hour. Let's see if we're overbought on the day. Not overbought on the daily. So we still have room to run on the daily. Let's check the 1-hour. Your 1-hour says we're moving and grooving, baby. We moving and grooving. Yo, what's up, CT? How we doing? How we doing? Welcome back. Glad to see ya. Market moves. Yep. We are making moves in this market. I mean, look at Atom since we looked at it yesterday. Look at this. Nice move to the upside. Check out Coin, brother. We did check it out, CT. Got the breakout. We're looking to get into that, I think it's 348 level. It's looking good. Adrian Jones, that's 5 new all-time highs for Bitcoin in a damn week. You're right. You're right. You're absolutely right. We just kept saying all-time high, all-time high, all-time high. We called it last night too. We did, CT. We did. But yeah, checking out Bitcoin. Just stay focused on where it's supposed to be going. We do have a CME futures gap below us, but we should see another 41% upside up to $115,000. Also, anyone here have Bitcoin Cash over BTC? Never over, but it does move faster. I mentioned 2 days ago, Bitcoin Cash could see $450. I want you guys to guess what it did. Just take a guess what it did in these market conditions. Well, we smacked it. We smacked it. We smacked it. We smacked it harder than Chris Brown smacking Rihanna. Like it, oof, smacked it hard, and we keep hitting it. So bad. Rihanna just won't stop coming back. Of course, there's still more upside. Of course, just a matter of if we're gonna get it now or later. Of course. If we manage to break 450, 680 is your next target. 680. That is what we're looking at for this bad boy. On your weekly, you are not even close to being overbought. Not even close. You're sitting basically in neutral. You're a little bit into that bullish control zone. So alt season has begun, Sergio. Have you looked at the market? Yes. Alt season has begun. That's a good point. That's insane. 680 if Bitcoin goes, BCH will go, right? Yes. Actually, BCH normally will start going right before Bitcoin will. So it's still a buy technically? Yeah. I would say for a spot trader, you're still on a buy. Just keep on going. For a leverage trader, you're gonna wait for some things to reset. Got any videos where I can learn to read charts and make your own trades? I don't personally make those videos. How are you feeling about Caspa? Caspa's doing great. I said it before. Should go up 60%. Jose, are you in the Discord? Because I know a guy, well, I don't know him, but his YouTube channel is all about setting up trade setups. And if you can understand what he's saying, it's actually really good information. It's really good. Real guess. So you're saying I should 7x ADA right now? Why would I ever tell you to do that? I don't even know what ADA looks like. Love to see your streams, Gold Mike. I appreciate that. That's good to know, man. What's a spot trader long-term holder? Sort of. So a spot trader is somebody who's not putting leverage on. They're just buying on the market. A lot of swing traders will do that if they have a lot of money in the market. But usually if there's a leverage trader, they're waiting for signs that it can go up. So I like to look at the 15-minute. Oh, shit. Yeah, I like to look at the 15-minute, which is trying to reset. That's crazy. What's Doge price prediction? 34 cents is the target right now. I'm recording you and going to AI your voice to make it seem like you did so. I don't take accountability for my losses. If you don't want to take accountability for your losses, you can join Weeks. In the description, there's a link, and you can look for Porky F65. Join me for copy trading. You don't have to take responsibility for any losses. I'll take that for you. What is the guy's channel? I gotta find it. Jesus. I'll link it in the Discord. When I say like, I'll maybe make a tab for education, and I'll post it in there. But also another guy, Tom Crown, he has a full free course on how to trade. Tom Crown. Look up his channel. What do I see BCH chart right now? What does it need to continue to break out? Bearish side of it. So bearish side, you don't even have a bearish side until you break below 423. If you break below that, that's bearish. No, 20x it is. Oh, is it? Stop it. So do? I don't understand. Oh, there's the link for the weeks. Yeah, join weeks. And now in the copy trading section, you can join me in copy trading officially. Officially. All right, so looking at this objectively, what I would be looking for on Bitcoin Cash right now, I would love to see it come down into this range at 436. That would make me happy. If we find support down here, which would also be above local resistance, that would be flipped as support. You can see it on this yellow line. We were not able to break above it. As soon as we did, we back tested as support once, twice. We went up, fell through, came back up, held it once, come down, confirm this level, then I would feel a little more confident that you could break that 450 level. That's what I would be looking at. Yo, you are on weeks for copy trading. Yes. Today, I'm on weeks for copy trading. It was a shame because they said I had to make one trade to be found. So now I can be found. Although that first trade went a little south. I got in right as the market dipped. So my first trade looks terrible. I'm not going to lie. Looks terrible. But if we look up Porky F, there you go. I have literally one trade where I lost $754. One trade. Screwed me. It was terrible. Also, I can show you what that trade was. So we had a very abnormal move in the market. And it was on APT, Aptos. Where are you? APT. So I'm going to show you the trade that stopped me out. It was this right here, this huge wick down. And the problem with this wick down is I had my stop loss right around here. So it wicked me out and it shot back up. This is trading. This is the risks that you run into. Luckily, I was only on 10x, but that sucked. I took a nap, I woke up to an alert, and I was like, shit, didn't want that number. So yeah, that's what happened. We had a sharp wick down, V-shaped recovery. That is the epitome of a liquidity grab if I've ever seen it. What I was really expecting was, let's take this away for a second. I was expecting something along the lines of this to happen, where it would hit this target, it turned around early, and then it stopped me out. So, that's why my trade went sour. It happens. It happens. But the new trade we're in is OP, and OP looks like it's about to complete, so my stats are going to look better. Taking a look at OP. Sorry, I'm ignoring everybody. I'm just trying to explain what happened here. But looking at OP, my stop loss is down here. My profit taking is right here. We are well on the way, baby. You said Tom Crown, right? I did say Tom Crown. Tom Crown, great streamer, great TA, very laid back. He, the way he likes to look at charts while he's live streaming, though, it's like a consensus of the chat. If everyone in chat wants the chart, he'll look at it. Needs to have enough requests of the same token, which I completely understand what he says. Gotcha, man. The double tap just gives us confidence that the market wants to take it higher, right? Yes. So the fact that we did a quick liquidity grab and V-shape up, the buyers are strong. Sorry to ask, but what was your Kava targets? No need to say sorry. I am always willing to give my targets. Because they are marked out on the chart. So first target is 120. Second target, 293. Just so you can see some perspective of the percentage I'm looking for. That is a 6.5x. How's Brett and Andy doing? Let's go check them out. It was a typo, my bad. No problem, Adrian. You're good. Good, bro. Let me see if I missed anything in the chat real quick. So do I day trade mainly or do long-term hold? I do both, Adrian. So long-term holds, they're there. They're doing their thing. They're just waiting. So, in the meantime, while I'm bored, what I like to do, I like to day trade. I day trade a lot. I'll day trade. Occasionally, I'll swing trade. Like right now, I'm willing to swing trade more often because I won't be in a trade for like 3 months. So, I'm more willing to swing trade now because it's like for instance, Kava here. This would be a good swing trade. 654%. We could see that by December. So, yeah, I'm willing to sit there and hold it. Noted, I've been long term holding this thing for almost a year now, and I'm kind of pissed about it, but it's fine. It's moving now from all time lows. If may ask, what's my holding for long term? Like, what coins am I holding? I have a list. It's a big list. So I have Bitcoin, I have Solana, I have AVAX, I have FTM, I have eGold right now because it was a great spot to buy. I have Kava, I have Litecoin, I have LRC, I have some ADA. I don't hold XRP right now. I don't hold that. I have some XLM though, and XLM actually moved. I was surprised. I have Jupiter, I have Jitto, I have oh boy, OP Optimism. I shit. God, I have so many. Do you think coin will consolidate tomorrow or run still? Just wondering and learning from you. So coin, I would guess at open it would run. Charles saying he's gonna team with Trump administration. Who's Charles? I don't know who Charles is. Grayson, what are my targets for Shiba? Do you think XRP is a good long-term hold? I'm indifferent on XRP at the moment. I know BlackRock started buying XRP. I know banks use the XRP network and ledger. Charles is founder. Oh, Charles Hoskinson? Hoskinson's son? Mainly because of all the liquidation over the weekend, right? Yeah, there's going to be a lot of liquidations over the weekend, which is going to cause buying pressure on coin. So it's the fact that Bitcoin made all-time highs nonstop all weekend. Wall Street's going to eat that shit up. They're going to buy up coin like nonstop because they know the next earnings for coin is going to be massive because there was massive buying on Coinbase. So it makes sense that Coinbase would go up. Stocks are a lot easier to read that way. It's at 299.50 now. Not bad, CT. Still looking for like 340, 58, 48, something like that. I'm missing a question. I got lost there. Let's check out Brett real fast while I continue answering questions. Where are you, Brett? I'm getting sidetracked left and right here. You have a pretty large bag of Jupe. What price do you think it could get to, given it's already at 1.6 billion market cap? Sergio, I honestly don't know. The only reason I hold it is because they do airdrops. I have no idea. I don't even care how it performs. I just want my airdrops. So I utilize the platform. I hold it. Shit, I should start staking it, honestly. Because, like, nope. I just want airdrops. Free money is great. All right, looking at Brett objectively on the daily, you are nowhere close to being overbought. You could see a breakout in the coming day. You would be aiming for 15,646. Let's dive in a little bit deeper. Your 4 hour still not overbought, bumping up against resistance once again, looking good. Your 1 hour is not overbought, low stochastic. It's in the middle. You could see a breakout tonight for Brett. 15-minute is also giving you the signal. Breakout could be coming. If you do breakout and hold, you could see Brett up 46%. This is not a drill. Could see it. 46% upside. Just throwing it out there. We got to look at Andy, and then we got Shiba, and then, yeah, my thoughts on XRP, it's simply like, it could go up. Now that Trump's going to be in office, he's probably going to get rid of Gary Gensler. Maybe they can stop dealing with all the lawsuits. But it was suppressed completely last bull run. And with that being said, I don't have much faith in it, if I'm being honest. 24 shares of coin at 257. Not a ton, but it's a start. For my fam and I, CT, you got to start somewhere. Nobody became a millionaire starting out with $1 million. All right, it takes time. And people who do start out with $1 million, you should become a billionaire because you know what? Trump did it. Why can't you? Just saying. Trump said he would end all SEC crypto lawsuits. Perfect. XRP is gonna fly. It's gonna fly. It's been so suppressed. It's gonna fly. You're right, brother. No, seriously. Anytime anybody wants to say like, oh, well, let's just start. It's like everyone starts somewhere. It doesn't matter. You're making a good choice by investing. Just focus on that. Hell, I'll admit, I didn't grow up rich. I grew up with a single mother. And I played sports. I don't even know how she fed me, if I'm being honest. I have no clue. I ate her out of house and home. She made me start working when I was 16, literally because I was eating too much. It was crazy. As far as BCH and BTC, why don't the charts align even though it's the same form of currency at a different scale? It's not. So cryptocurrencies are all different. Bitcoin Cash is a branch off of Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash has a different type of following. Bitcoin Cash was with some dude who basically said, this is Satoshi's vision, and then followed by BSV came out, Bitcoin Satoshi's vision. So, not the same. It's not the same. Bitcoin transfers way more value than Bitcoin Cash does. That's why the market cap is so much higher. Bcash is poo-poo. It has its use. It has its use. Mostly it's used for trading. Alright, let's look up Andy. Andy ETH. Fuck. There we go. Is that even the chart I use normally? Or do I use Gate.io? This is the chart I use. Okay, good. Checking out Andy on the 4 hour. 4 hour not overbought anymore. Still targeting 30316. How many years did you trade / learn before you decided to go full time? So, once again, the term full-time trader, I always get confused by that because, like, I guess I meet all the definitions of a full-time trader, but I still work. But yeah, I guess to get the status of full-time trader, I guess it took me 2 years. I guess. Take a look at Spell Token. It's blasting off. 75x incoming. Bullish. What the fuck? Alright. Thanks for answering everything, man. It's much appreciated. No problem. They are both limited in supply, though, right? Also, I wonder what the potential of BCH is for the rest of this bull run. Probably a 3 to 5x from previous all-time high. Something around there, because it actually does have a pretty big market cap. So, somewhere around there. Max, you are still looking for another 48% upside. So, Max, you're well on the way to overhead resistance. Alright, now we're going to look at... What was the other one? I lost it. Shiba. We're looking at Shiba. Like recent all-time high or past 2021, the past all-time high. All right, Shiba targets. You're currently at one of the targets. Next target after this is insanity. Really? I'm looking for Shiba to first get up to 3916. After that, which noted, that actually lines up. I didn't know it would line up. Alright, so it lines up with that level of resistance, but after that, I mean, you have one level left. And that is right here, the weekly highest candle closes ever at 6716. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. And Shiba's one of those weird ones where it got to an extremely high market cap last time around, and it could very well get about a 5x from its previous all-time highs from here. So yeah, those are the targets. But once you break this 6716, Shiba could go crazy. Where do you hold Jupiter to get the airdrops? You can hold it inside of the Phantom wallet. They airdrop it straight to your wallet. I don't know when the next airdrop is going to be, but yeah, that's the only reason I hold it. I also hold Aave. I also hold Rats. I hold Floki. I hold Bonk. I hold Sats. There's so many different tokens that I hold because I've been accumulating over the entirety of the bear market. So whenever I trade, I I will just take. So thoughts on Weeks coin? I don't know. I have some Weeks. It all depends on how they do as an exchange. So exchange tokens, they do very well in bull runs, but unless they stand out from others, they do very bad in bear markets. Very bad. And requirements need to meet to get the airdrops. I don't think there's many requirements outside of you need to use Jupiter. So using Jupiter meaning all you have to do is go through a transaction. That's it. Go through a transaction, and the more transactions you conduct on Jupiter, the better your airdrop is going to be. They're killing it as an exchange. They are. They are killing it as an exchange. And they also provide a lot of perks if you're holding their token, if you're, I guess, technically staking it. So they're doing a very good job with their token. But I just keep getting free tokens. So I'm like, I'll leave it in the wallet, I guess. We'll see where this thing goes. I know that I'm probably going to be kicking myself in 2 years, but oh well, it's fine. I got to see what happened with the KuCoin token. It went up like crazy until bear market came. It just started going down bad. It was tough. It was really tough. Let's see. We got to check out Spell. Can I please explain each candlestick, red and green, and the line that runs either up or down? So your candlestick, like the candle body, that is the actual price action. When you get the little sticks at the end, those are what's referred to as wicks. That's where the price went to before it went into the other direction. So based off the wick, you can get a pretty strong idea of what the market is doing. So if you see a lot of long wicks at the top, kind of like right here on Shiba, you know that there's tons of selling pressure in this area, so you're expecting a reversal. But if you see long wicks at the bottom right here, you're expecting a lot of buying pressure, so you would think it's going to go up. Instead, right here, it just consolidated. So that's the whole thing about the wick. It's not smart like BNB though. So BNB, what they did is they created their own chain, the Binance Smart Chain, which is like it operates kind of separate from the BNB token. It's an interesting thing they set up there. Where is Spell? I've been looking for Spell this whole time, sorry. Spell, there you are. So you're saying Spell skyrocketing, you're hitting resistance. It definitely could. You are on the cusp of getting this crazy move for Spell. 110% could be coming. Let's check your daily. Your daily is almost in overbought territory, but you just retook your 200 simple. Checking out your 4 hours still overbought. I think it'll take a little bit more consolidation before you start seeing crazy moves up. I'm not saying much more, just a little bit. Got it, man. Great to know. This is a game changer to understand that. Yeah, so you can see it right here on Spell. Long wick to the upside after a huge candle body. Basically, the sellers were like, we're taking profit. So then you saw the price come down. Same thing happened here. Price came down, and you're just creating these lower highs. So now with Spell, a really nice thing you can do is you can see once you break the sell pressure, right here, once you break that sell pressure, you're then expecting, oh, now we can have a lot more buying pressure to push us up. So, of course, you have someone out there who's like, okay, great. We have some up pressure. Once you break below this supply line, now you got to rethink your whole plan. But as of right now, Spell looks like on the 1 hour, it wants to push up. Wants to go up. What do you keep saying 75x for? Are you talking about? Are you leverage trading this thing at 75x? That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm just calling for this thing to go up 110%. That's all I'm calling for. I believe they took the Jupe snapshot a few days ago. Nice. Next step, there will be a vote this month to see if people vote for airdrop in January. That's a lot of info on X. Okay, I got you. I got you. And Shiba as well. We just went over Shiba. We can go over it again. I'm going to take a peek at OP real fast, just to see how the copy trade is going. This is for my stats. This is so people want to follow me on copy trading. This is for my stats, bro. Want to check out Sundog, Cody? All right, I got you. So we're getting close to my profit taking. This is good. This is good. Can you believe it? For my copy trading account, I had to like make an entire new account, which frustrating, but it's fine. It's fine. Hold on, we're in the neighborhood. Nope. I already said we're going to Shiba. We're going up to Shiba. We're going to the SHIB. Alright, so Shiba right now. You can see it's consolidating right at resistance. You're there. You're at resistance. You're chilling. As soon as you manage to break this resistance, first target is 3854. Second target is a measured move. Oh no, it's 385. Yeah, that's your target right there. So that's your target. If you manage to break that, your serious overhead resistance is 6716. You have major markup coming for SHIB if it can break this level. Anywhere between 43 and 152%. Now noted, since I'm calling for a possible pullback on Monday, I will not be in any trades while I go to sleep tonight. I will not be in anything. So I can get some sweet dreams. I can wake up early, and I can start looking at this market objectively, as if I'm looking for a trade. But yeah, tonight I'm closing any trades I have open. I'm getting a great night's sleep, and then I'm going to watch market open if I wake up. But I plan on watching market open. A pullback, very, very likely. Oh, shit. My big time trade. Oh, shit. Yo. My big time trade. Let's go. We're about to take some profits. Let's go. 25x long on big time. We are closing in on that. Look at this. We're up 257% on the trade. I'm feeling good about it. That's great. Thought we were going to scalp tonight. Cody, you got to be here at the beginning of these streams, brother. Can I short ADA? Chris, you can do whatever your heart pleases. I will not stop you from doing whatever you want. Cody wants to check out Sundog first, but take profit at previous all-time high or expect new all-time high for Turbo, shortish term. I'm expecting a new all-time high for Turbo. Turbo is a meme coin. Meme coins don't understand what stopping means. So as long as the market is bullish, new all-time high. Personal preference, but would you take your profits on coin and Bitcoin Cash and reposition or stick them, hold, maybe explain why you do either one? Yeah, I do that pretty often with my Bitcoin holdings. If I do ever want to reposition them, I would reposition them in something like Kava right now. Yeah, Kava would probably be my main one that I'm staring at. Maybe eGold if it hasn't gotten too crazy. Let me see where eGold's at. Turbo, hell yeah, pump this. Yeah. So yeah, eGold is just now breaking out of its resistance. So I could even argue reallocating into eGold would be a decent idea. But you haven't backtested anything. So down here was the buying area. Down here is where I made my video. I made a video on Swing Trader's Dream. That was right down here. Whoever took that video and actually bought in down there, they should love me. They should absolutely love me. But is there still potential for a pullback? CT, there's always a potential for a pullback. It's just the probability of a pullback at market open for coin, slim to none. Markets should open in the green. And then toward the middle of the day, they could sell off. Alright, so E-Gold, this thing, prime time, looking great. So with that being said, as we go over and we look at Kava, if I can find the K's. Alright, Kava. So Kava, once again, a swing trader's dream. You're sitting down here at all-time lows. It hasn't done anything. Once you break this lower level down here, what's to stop you from getting all the way up to $1.20? You're currently trading at 38 cents. This is why I start like reallocating, just because they're in such good buying spots. I just can't pass it up. Bitcoin, I would be looking at maybe it's going to go up 41%. Kava, I'm looking at 237. To me, it's a no-brainer, but I would just take all those profits and put it back into Bitcoin afterwards. So everyone's going to do their own thing. This is just what I like to do. Trying to break generational poverty? Hey, I get you, brother. I get it. Not pressuring you, just you're more experienced than I am at this. Hey, I'm always here to give any information I can. All right, somebody said short ADA. Then we'll go look at Turbo. I do think shorting anything this evening, pretty risky business. Pretty risky business, if I'm being honest. But let's check ADA's chart. I mean, what? I didn't even know it kept going. Holy shit. The hell is this? Is this because Hoskinson's son said that he was going to work with Trump? Is that what happened? 77 cents. I mean, yeah, I personally would be looking for shorts. I would love to see a back test at 48.95, but what the hell is this? ADA doesn't make moves like that. Like, what is that? That's crazy. I was joking based on the last stream I joined. Gotcha. That is a straight line. That's craziness. You're completely overbought on the daily. Completely overbought. Your 4 hour doesn't even know what not being overbought is. Oh my gosh. Your 1 hour. I mean, I guess it's not overbought. You are putting in a nice little downtrend, though. Nice downtrend. Great spot to try and go short. Let's see if your lower time frames are going to allow it. 15-minute is allowing it. Oh, shit. For now. For this moment in time. How about a 122 call strike price on XOM for this week? Close on Friday? ExxonMobil? I'll have to look at it. I will have to look at that. Hey, wait. ExxonMobil, isn't that like gas? You're putting in call options for gas? For oil? I don't know. I'll look at the chart. What do you look at on the 15 to say is allowing a short? So if we go back to the 15, right here, you're sitting in neutral territory. You're pointed straight down on your stochastic. You are trying to hold on to the 100 simple moving average as support after you reset your entire stochastic while just trading a little bit up and rounding at the top. So naturally, I'm going to sit here and say it's going down. It's going down bad. I'm calling for ADA to come down 12%. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah, with Trump in office, I think it'll move some. I don't know what I'm doing though. Calls. Trying to learn it, but all YouTube videos make it difficult. So call options normally are you think the price is going up. Puts are you think the price is going down. Picking out a time frame is a little bit tough. I have a hard time picking out the time frame. That's really hard for me. What was I about to look at? Shit. I know I'm supposed to look at Turbo. We looked at ADA. All right, we're looking at Turbo. Going down to Turbo. Down to Pound Town. I mean Turbo. Turbo. Pound Town. Turbo. So on the 15, Turbo looks like it wants to drop too. That's kind of crazy. So maybe Bitcoin's going to start retracing and my trades are going to get pooped on. Oh my god, look at that. My trade is getting pooped on. Look at that crap. That's terrible. What? Oh, absolute pooped on. I do a lot of research before buying options. Yeah, you really should. All right, looking at Turbo objectively, it does look like you could be coming down on the 15-minute. That's kind of a shame. Let's see if your 1 hour says the same thing. Your 1 hour is giving you a different look. 1 hour says we can be going up on Turbo. I guess we're going to have to wait and see on Turbo, but my target for Turbo is at 15479. Getting a new all-time high. New all-time high. And then we're in price discovery, but we'll see how that pans out. Great. Now I need to go look at OP. Son of a bitch. Some bitch. You don't think Sui will ever stop? Perfect time to short it. Hold on. What did you just say, Chris? Perfect time to short it. Chris doesn't want to short it. I want to short it. Yep. That's what I want to do. I'm joking. You got a breakout. Oh my god. Sui broke out. Now what's in play for Sui? $4.20. Can I look at Elon? Sure. We gotta look at Exxon first. I only put 75. Exxon. Call, so don't lose everything you have. Smart move. There it is. ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil. So the nice thing about stocks is you can actually look at them from the daily and the weekly very often. I take back everything I said. It does look like it's going to go up. Holy shit. Exxon actually looks like it's going to go up. That is insane. That is actually insane. Yo, big time. Can you stop giving me big time problems? Oh, fuzz. OP's giving me problems too. Damn. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. Oh, Exxon. Is Exxon at all-time highs? Holy shit. Exxon sitting at all-time highs. That is wild and crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Look at that. Not only all-time highs, but you had these. Wow. Wow. Pretty impressive. Oh, hidden bearish divergence on Exxon. No, I'm thinking it's going to go down. That's too bad. So you can see your high in price here, very high in your relative strength, and then you've just been losing strength this whole time, but you set the slightly higher high. So this is a sign of distribution. Stochastic's very high. You're expecting it to come down, possibly down to 104. So yeah, it looks like it's coming down. I'm sorry to say. A put would be a good idea. You could see a little pop at open tomorrow. based off this downtrend getting broken out of. You could see a little pop at open, but your daily is basically saying your days are numbered, possibly going down very soon. Thanks for looking at it. No problem. Yeah, that hidden bearish divergence is annoying. The fact that you're just making higher highs with lower strength, meaning distribution has already happened. The big boys are selling. The big boys are selling. The only way they can cancel this out is if you get this to go higher than that. You wish you could look at a stock like that? You can. You just saw how I did it. You can look at the same thing. You just got to look at all the indicators. That's really all it takes. Look at all the indicators. As soon as you leave one out, that's the one that you should have looked at. But stocks are easy. Stocks are really easy because everything takes forever to play out. So it's like, oh, I can see it clearly. I don't understand how people don't make way more money trading stocks than they do. It's shocking to me, honestly. Robinhood, yeah. What are they, Hood? Looking at the Robinhood. So you can see back here, you have your high here, and nothing's gotten above it. So Robinhood is in a similar situation, but let's go out to the weekly real fast. Let's get a better, yeah, you even have it on the weekly. Oh God, when's this thing gonna stop? That looks weird. Oh, maybe right there. So you have hidden bearish divergence, and you're coming up to overhead resistance. Hit 34.38. I'm expecting a reversal. Robinhood was in the gutter for a while. Wow. I didn't know that. On that reversal, you can see Robinhood come back down and test this price down here, where it just back tested after breaking out. Huh. Go figure. But still got a little room. You could get up here. And also, Robinhood can directly profit from all the crypto trading as well. So keep that in mind. I think I'm going to have to go close out that copy trade. Yikes. Yeah, I do. You're finding so much resistance right there. That's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. Some of the ones I'm really looking at are Nvidia, SoFi, ARM. Like to check those out. When you get a chance, sure, I'll check them out. I just got to see if I have to get out. Oh wait, nope. I think we're okay. I think we're gonna be all right. I forgot where I entered this trade at. Oh, we're doing all right. What's Big Time doing? Oh, Big Time's still giving me problems. OP's trying to do something. That's a quick retrace. That's good. I want to know if it falls below that. That's what I want to know. All right, let's go ahead and check out Nvidia. How about check Sundog? No, I haven't. Thank you for reminding me. I totally forgot about Sundog. Sundog. We're going to check out Sundog first. Sundog. I've never charted this. I have never charted Sundog. I guess we can mark this out as well. Alrighty. Sundog caught a nice little bounce. Have I done BTC? Yeah. I'll say BTC looks fine where it's at. Could retrace because of the CME futures gap that we saw on the CME futures chart. Interesting look, Sundog. Interesting look. So Sundog does look like it's consolidating a bit. On your daily, you're getting out of the depths of hell, which is nice. You do not have hidden bullish divergence, so you need to get a higher low. So I would expect Sundog to test this 11.532 level, but you still might have some legs to the upside because you're still in the bearish control zone. Let's check your 4 hour. So yeah, 4 hour neutral territory. You're above your 50 and 100 simple moving averages. You do not have hidden bearish divergence. You're just consolidating right now. Just consolidating. And you do have this local level of resistance that is acting as resistance. So that's something to keep in mind here for Sundog. And you do have a supply line, but the supply line is so low. So low. So even if you fall, you could find support at the supply line, which would also be around the support at 12.957. Let's get even closer. Zoom it in. Zoom it in. 1 hour seems a little indecisive. Your 15 minute. 15 minute looks interesting. You're losing your moving averages. You're setting lower highs. You're trending down. You are trending down. So Sundog, if you're not in a trade yet, you're going to want to wait for that breakout. Either wait for the breakout or wait for a successful back test of either the supply line or this 11.532. But as of this moment in time, if you're not already holding it, I would suggest waiting for some form of confirmation that is going in a direction. Otherwise, it could just continue chopping sideways and it'll just give you anxiety and you won't be able to sleep. It'll be terrible. It'll be absolutely terrible. So, that's what I see out of Sundog. Sundog. Let's see what OP is doing. 396. OP is doing things. Let's go, OP. That got me worried there for a second. I'll tell you what. Gonna go check in on Big Time and ADA real fast. Noted, I did say I would short ADA. I wasn't kidding. Let's check Big Time. Big Time trying to get a little bit of recovery. Trying. Alright, I see you working. I see you working. Let's check out ADA real fast. ADA being a little indecisive, isn't it? Being a little indecisive. Trying to get that breakout going. If this thing breaks out, this is going to be crazy. And I mean it. It's going to be crazy. You're going to 77 cents. This thing breaks out. You heard it here live. Breaks out, 77 cents on deck. 77 cents on deck. We'll see. Alright, NVIDIA. Well, I guess we're in the neighborhood. We can just take a look and see if Bitcoin's pulling back or not. Bitcoin's at 81,199. 98. We broke our trend. Oh no. Oh my Lanta. Gonna have to wait and see. Looks like we're just resetting that 15 minute. Oh boy. Cass due for a short, you think? NVIDIA. NVIDIA. I haven't looked at the NVIDIA chart in a long time. Ever since I sold it too soon. I hate when they split their shares. God, it's so frustrating. So frustrating. Alright, so NVIDIA is only showing hidden bearish divergence. No idea when it'll stop though, because they could literally just issue more shares and people would be like, it's cheaper, and buy it. You have currently broken out of your high, you have back tested as support on the weekly, and you're moving on up. What does it mean to split shares? They did, I believe it was a 10-to-1 split. So if you were holding one share and they did their split, you would be holding 10 shares. That is what a split share is. It cuts the price into 1/10 of the high that it was, so it allows more people to pour money into it. Because a lot of dumb people don't understand market cap over share price. So if companies ever really want to make a lot more money, they will just split the shares to get new money in. That's just what they'll do. In the very short term, I'm looking for 159 on Nvidia. But technically speaking, sky is the limit for Nvidia. This thing is absolutely bonkers. Oh, it's pretty crazy. Seems smart of them, though. Yeah, it's smart, especially when you need to raise money. Because it's like Amazon. Amazon, I think the highest I ever looked at their stock, it was at like $3,800 per share. At that point, you're limiting the amount of people who can buy your share. So if you decide to split the shares, let's just say it was like a 20-to-1. Now instead of everybody spending over $3,000, they're spending 30 or 60 or something like that. Do you see any retracement before Nvidia goes up? What could it be? I don't really see a retracement. You already backtested your former highs, so that was their opportunity to pull it back. Let's see what the daily says. I mean, your daily just keeps on going up, but you're making a rising wedge pattern, so it should pull back eventually, but we just don't know when that pullback would be, because it can also short squeeze. So you're at overhead resistance right now, right this moment, right this very second. So you could open up the next day down here. You could come down to 132 again. You could continue down to 94. So many different things you could see. But noted, if the price goes up at all, you're going to see a short squeeze. Based off a short squeeze, you could end up seeing something kind of like this, like a 23% rise, getting you up to 185. I don't usually like to bet on short squeezes, just because if you see it coming, the hedge fund saw it too, and they will dump it on you. They will absolutely dump it on you. Let's go big time. Back over 200%. That's what I like to see. Let's go. Give me some tendies for Monday. That'll be good. Buy me some lunch. Elon targets. We'll check it out, Grayson, real fast. Got to check out SoFi and ARM also, but let's check out Elon real fast. That's wild, man. You're a smart dude. I'm not that smart. Not that smart. Just been playing a lot of time in these markets. A lot of time. And also, as I said before, like, when it comes to the stock market, it's a lot easier. Alright, so Doge Elon actually hit the target. Awesome. We called the target, hit the target. Love to see it. You're up 15% on the day. If you manage to break that, your next target you're aiming for is... Wait a minute. Is it that? Yep, it's right here. And the candle low. So you'd be probably looking at 3915 as the next target. Your weekly is not overbought. The party can continue for Doge Elon. The party can continue. Just don't know when the consolidation will be over. Bitcoin is still pushing higher. 81,280? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's insanity. Did I get that pop-up yet that I can pin? Dang, how far apart did I put those, the tip one? The tip one didn't even pop up yet. That's cool. Love to see it. Wow, that's wild. It's wild. I don't know what intervals I put that on, but cool. Anyways. So yeah, Dojilon, let's dive into it a bit further. You're completely overbought on the 4-hour, but it is on Meme Coinomics, so they don't actually care about indicators. Just a heads up, Grayson. So if the buyers continue, next target, 3915. Let's check the 15. You're overbought on literally all time frames. That is absolutely crazy. What do I think about Ondo? I think it's pretty cool. Real world assets. Let me check out SoFi and ARM real quick, then we'll check out Ondo. Why when you go to buy crypto, it makes you average price like 300 over when you're actually buying it? The hell? What do you mean? If you had 20K, would you put it into Doge or Shiba? I would put it in Kava. I wouldn't do either one. Both of them have been exploding. Why would I put it in either one of those? I would put it in Kava because it hasn't even moved yet. Soba! What's up, Chewy? How you doing? Oh my. SoFi. You're aiming for 1493. You broke out big time out of a long-term downtrend for SoFi. That's amazing. If price of Doge is 2, go to buy it, it would say your average price is 4. It's probably the amount you're buying and compared to the order book. So if there's low liquidity on wherever you're buying it, it'll boost the price up when you buy it. Buy the tops, sell the dips. Yeah, Crash. Do that. But yeah, Grayson, I honestly, if you're looking for a new buy, Doge and Shiba, no. Terrible. Terrible. But yeah, SoFi looks great. It's absolutely great. Let's go check out ARM. ARM Holdings. ARM's reset and ready to go. I don't know where it's headed. You're kind of getting a little rounded at the top, though. I'm guessing your daily is questionable. Guessing the daily is questionable. No, it's not. ARM looks like it's getting ready to break out. Cool. Very cool. And if I were a betting man, I'd be aiming at $213. So you very well could see ARM go up 44% in time. ARM looks like it could break out. That's kind of cool. Is it too late to get in SoFi? SoFi just broke out. It would be smarter to wait for a back test. So if it comes back down, test that former demand line as a supply line. Like it actually hits that line that was holding it down. Actually, it already did that. I mean, you could buy it. It kind of made a really good move already. You know? You wanted to be in on that back test. I know you're like, what are you talking about back test? So, on the daily here, you can see where you broke out, you came back down, found support, and took off. That's what I mean by a back test. So, it's basically getting in, you're in overbought territory. You're just looking for it to get to that 1493 now. Everybody's done. Everybody's done. It's the only way to crypto. All right, we gotta look at Soba. Soba. I don't even know what Soba is. What the? Chewy, what's Soba? Is it a crypto or a stock? It's a crypt? No, it's not. What is this? Are you talking about AT&T? Chewy, I am unsure what SOBA is. Let's go check out Ondo. Myro's gonna make me cry. It stopped me out. Now it's up 10%. Shit is bullshit. Bullshit. Check Bitcoin. Holy fuck. Yeah, Ty. I was just looking at it. It's going crazy. This is bullshit. Stopping me out down here to do that. A full V-shaped recovery. That's some bullshit. Yeah, BTC going nuts. But we're out here looking at Ondo. Asking what I think about Ondo. Ondo's next target, 979. Once you get there, you're probably going to try and push above it, get to that 108,657. You still got some room to run on Ondo. But you did make your measured move out of the bull flag. So keep that in mind while trying to jump into trades. Keep that in mind. I think right now Bitcoin single-handedly is saving my OP trade. I think Bitcoin is saving my OP trade right now. That's wild. And my big time trade. Doge is up 9%. Still 77 cents. 77 cents is a target for Doge. The little dog that could. Oh, the BTC pump stream is in. The BTC pump stream is in. Little dip and run. Little dip and run. Chris, thank you so much for the $3. I appreciate you. Absolutely amazing. Thank you, Chris. The 1 hour says we're going to keep on chugging along. That is wild. Yeah, this price action is actually crazy. Actually crazy. Especially after that weird little dip we had earlier. What was that? Alright, so when you all become millionaires, what are your plans for the cash? What are you going to do? Hookers and drugs. Buy more Bitcoin. Millionaire. Buy a Supra. You don't have to be a millionaire. Buy a Supra. Let my baby girl be a stay-at-home mom. Ooh, love it. Cocaine and hookers. All right, Jay. Hookah and cocaine. All right, Cody. That's funny. A lot of cocaine. A lot of cocaine. It's going to send you a nice steak dinner. You know what? I like that. I like that shit. No blue steaks. I'm not into blue steaks. I like it medium rare. Medium rare, and if they can do it right, rare. Get out and focus on your son's future. Very nice, CT. DeFi. Oh boy. Getting those gains. Are we still cooking? Max, we are still cooking. We are still cooking. Bitcoin doing crazy things. Currently at $81,627. But I'm looking at Blast right here. Because Blast looking kind of sus. Like, are we about to break out? Blast looking interesting. It reset its 4-hour stochastic. You're sitting above local resistance. What are you about to do here, Blast? You got a lot of upside if you break out. Holy. I mean, there's a lot of upside. 15% before you literally blast off. Huh. Got 3 targets. You got your 3 targets here for Blast. Okay. Okay, Blast. I see what Blast is cooking. You want to check out High? We can check out High. Yeah, we can do that. Blast looking good. Who would have thought? Who would have thunk it? Oh boy. Am I seeing this correctly? Or is that just... Wow, that was a pullback. But High's in a very good spot. Very, very good spot. So I have it marked out 71% upside. You didn't quite make it. Didn't quite make it. However, it looks like you're getting some Cheetos, maybe a Gatorade. Might be getting ready for its next leg up. Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hours, just setting up. You got your back test. That's what you're looking for High. High very well could be getting ready for another run. Could be a 39% run. Wowzers. 1 hour's trying to get ready for it. Your 15 wants to hang out. Okay, alright. So yeah, Cody, I'm expecting 39% upside. The only problem is how far you came down. You kind of went sideways here. Your stop loss would have to be below where you took off. So you'd be looking at stop loss somewhere around 139.3. Bit of a deep stop loss. I'd much prefer to see this thing go up, reset again, and then take off. But, you know, beggars can't be choosers. Beggars can't be choosers. I still have another beer to finish. Render doing something nice. What's BTC's next target? 115,000. BTC's next target, $115,000. $10 bazillion. Render is doing something. Render's trying to get up to $6.95. You broke out, you back tested, and you ran. That's what we call a good old bump and run right there. Tell you what. I'm going to have to get some more levels. We don't have that many levels, Lieutenant Dan. We just don't have the levels. We're running out of levels. And price discovery is hard. It's really hard. Then all we got is structure and fib. That's all we got, man. Yeah, Render's doing something. So on the weekly, looks like you're going in for that 50 simple moving average. You had this downtrend. You have officially broken out and back tested. Let the run get going. Render looking good. Y'all have a blessed night. I'm calling it. Been at it all day. Crash, have a great evening. Sleep well. Be ready for Monday. And don't have a case of the Mondays, all right? That's on you. Get some sleep. Take some melatonin. Relax. But yeah, Max, Render doing things. Looks good. Looks great. Looks like it's getting ready for another rally on the 15-minute. Love to see it. Love to see it. All right. Oh, I'm going to have to pad my stats here. Gonna get out of this OP trade. Hold on, I gotta pull my exchange off this. Bring it over here. Because I gotta sign out, sign into the other one. Just give me a second. Give me 1 second. Now I'm gonna have to sign back into the normal one. Alright, we're just gonna lock in this 33%. We're gonna flash close that. Oh, what? Do I have to close it over here? Close. Confirm. Alright, it's closed. What does my wife want? Alright. We closed it. I gotta answer this real quick. Do you think Veterans Day will be... I'm not sure. Hey, babe. Alright, boo-boo. Yes, I am. Love you. Bye. Oh, what's your most realistic price target for BTC? I wasn't joking when I said 115,000. That is the price target. We could get pullbacks before then. That is the price target. Will have an effect on the market. Veterans Day? I don't think it'll actually matter. How about CSX? Is that a stock? Alright, we got the exchange back up. We're good. I just had to pad some stats there. Sorry. Had to pad some stats. 115k pog. No, I'm actually not joking when I say that number. If I go up to Bitcoin real fast. CSX, it is a stock? Okay. We'll check it out. So I know a lot of people are like, "Oh, he's just saying that crap." No, I'm being serious. 115k is literally the target based off a bull flag. Like, this is your target. $115,000, 495. That's not even outrageous. It's close. It is close. It's just there's your target. You're not overbought on the weekly either. It could get up there. I'm not saying we won't have a pullback tomorrow. I am not saying that whatsoever. We could still have a pullback, but based off your weekly time frame, you are aiming for $115,000 on Bitcoin based off the bull flag. A measured move. That's all it is. It is a measured move. So I'm not just like out here like, oh yeah, we're going to the moon, bro. No, I'm not being a moon boy. It's the structure. It's all. It's just the structure. What's the peak of Bitcoin this run? 115. I have no clue what the peak will be. I have no idea. Citibank in the bear market said it could get up to 400,000. Sure, let's go with that. 400,000. I'll believe a bank. Why not? I'm okay with 400k. That's fine. I'm much more willing to believe a bank that's guessing than like a random YouTube moon boy that's gonna be like, "Oh, Bitcoin's gonna top out at 1,000,000." Last bull run they were calling for 1,000,000. I don't know. A lot of analysts are leaning between 150 to 250,000. Me, I'm like, I'm gonna take this shit day by day. If on this leg up we end up showing hidden bearish divergence, I'm gonna start calling for a heavy pullback. I'm just playing it that way. Like, next year should be fun, though. Next year should be a lot of fun. Let's go to CSX. CSX Corporation. Don't know what they do. Never heard of this. Let's find out what they're made of. Your weekly is set up for a lot of upside. It is set up for a lot of upside. It's amazing. A lot of pro crypto people just became in charge of our country. Vance has a large Bitcoin bag. Well, they're probably going to pump it. Also, I think Donald Trump wants to buy like 10% of the Bitcoin supply or something. I was like, that is insane. So yeah, whenever people, what are your prices today? I don't know. I really don't. This is the first time that Bitcoin's had a diminishing supply on exchanges going into the most bullish time of the year. I don't have a clue. I really can't even guess. So anytime people want to like, yeah, but what do you think? I don't know. That's what I think. I think I have no idea, and I will take this thing day by day. That's all I can do. So I know it's not the most attractive thing to say, but you know, it's pretty honest. Pretty damn honest. And that's one thing I'm not going to do to you guys. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm going to be as honest as I can. The more honest I am, the better I can make decisions. Also, I don't have to go back and like backpedal on any of my trades or talking points or anything. Alrighty, so this bad boy has been respecting a supply line so well. So very well. Wow. If this continues, we could see this thing up anywhere between 4304 and the moon. Because you'll be in price discovery. Whatever this CSX thing is, on the weekly, it looks beautiful. On your daily looks like it's going to consolidate. You had a bearish engulfing candle on the last trading day that it had, so you really want to see how the market opens on this to make a more informed decision. But as long as you're above the supply line, you're good. As soon as you break the supply line, you're probably going to want to get out of this asset, because it could be dropping, and it could drop pretty hard. Just a possibility. There's nothing else telling me this thing is going to go down. You just got back above your 200 daily moving average, and the stock market likes to say as long as you're above the 200, you're in a bull market. So you continue to buy. So yeah. Looks decent. Looks decent. Tesla's at 340 in the afternight trading. Is it really? No problem, CT. No problem. I really want Big Time not to disappoint me right now. I would really like it if it did not disappoint me. I feel like I'm going to get disappointed. Great move to the upside, but God, don't you disappoint me, Big Time. Tesla. Well, not only with Trump in office, but also Tesla does hold Bitcoin. Every company that's holding Bitcoin, they're doing. Oh my God, it just skyrocketed through that? Holy shit. This was a great video. I don't know if you could watch it now, but watch it after your stream. What video? Grayson, whatever video it is, tag me in Discord with it. I don't know what video you're trying to show me. It better not be porn. It better not be porn. That's all I'm saying. Better not be. Wow. Tesla's next target is $406. It would be great if you got a back test of this level, but anywhere between 364 and 406. That's insanity. Tesla looks good. Big Booper Plumbers 4. That one? Oh goodness. That's funny. Yeah, Tesla's not even overbought on the weekly. You're barely entering overbought territory on the daily. Yeah, Tesla's pretty solid right now. Pretty darn solid. Wow. Wow. Oh, at this point, do we even call when it makes new all-time highs? Like, Bitcoin, new all-time high. Again. Why does it look like it wants to break up? Would I buy Tesla now? Or is it too late? Tesla is one of those things where it's really hard to bet against. So, me personally, yeah, I would just keep buying. I would keep getting into it. Tesla is one of those interesting companies where it's like not only do they have cars, they have solar panels, they have batteries, they have their own chips, they have AI, they have so much going for them. It's hard to find reasons to sell it off. So it's just like a hey, can you buy more? Have fun, go get it. At least that's the category I put it in. It's kind of like a Tesla. There's no real bad time to buy it. It's just maybe you could have gotten a better price. But then again, also, maybe you could have gotten hit by an asteroid. You never know. Alrighty, so Bitcoin does have some overhead resistance that's been hitting and regarding as resistance. It does have hidden bearish divergence literally all over the place. It's in Discord? Alright, I will check it out later. The worry that I have on Bitcoin is this right here. This is a rising wedge, and if it breaks down, hold on, we're gonna measure this puppy out real quick. Wait a minute. It would bring you down to 78,609. 78,609. 78,609. 78,609. 78,609. 78609 78609 77165. Ooh, close. Yo, good evening to Closer. How you doing? Seven, 806. Yeah, a lot of things are telling me Bitcoin is going to close the gap. And the worst part about it, it's not even that far down. It's really not. That's kind of crazy. That's a 3.47% downside move. Maybe we get a little bit lower, close that CME futures gap, and then we continue rallying. Jack, I would say day trading one market is more profitable. Number one, you can use more capital in just one market, but on top of that, it's easier to focus on. If you can't keep track of all your trades and you're constantly shifting back and forth, it's going to make it to where you're more likely to make an emotional decision, and you don't want to do that. Crazy volatility, you FOMO'd into Sui. Decloser, I don't think that was a bad idea. I don't think it was a bad idea. Gotta go to the store with fam. Thanks for all the info and help, brother. Take care, and if you're on later, maybe I'll be back. Take care, man. CT, no problem. And enjoy the store. Seems like an odd time to go to the store, but enjoy. Hopefully it's a safe trip. Flopping and groping? What? Oh, you're in Alaska, CT? What? Hold on, you're an hour before me. How the... I need to look at a map. That's crazy. I didn't even know that. I'm in Southern California. That's wild. Oh, Suey. I thought... Oh, you can still hold. You can still hold. Savage at 7 a.m. for you? Dang. Wait, are you in the UK? Saudi. Oh, well, welcome in from Saudi Arabia. I didn't even know people would tune in from all the way over there. I somewhat agree. Wait. I somewhat agree that focusing on one market is more profitable, but in your opinion, how can a trader have a balanced hybrid approach? I have no idea. No idea. Yo, Savage, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. This is like right now is my normal scheduled time for going live. So welcome in. Welcome in. But yeah, I don't know about a hybrid approach. My idea of a hybrid approach is you have long-term holds and you day trade. Some people will swing trade it. That's my idea. 350 liquidation on 74K. Check the heat map. Is it really? Is it really? Oh, shit. So I can see each individual one. So I see the 55 here. See the 59 up there. We already took that. That's wow. Most bullish Sunday you've seen. Yeah. Let's go to the weekly. Or 48 hour. Maybe the 48 hour. Oh my god. Whoo. You're talking about 74K. I gotta go to the weekly for that. Yikes. I just see this giant one right here at 75. Whew. That is $164 million. Yeah, there's a lot of liquidity down here. This is another 100 million, a 74-1. So, yeah, I believe you on that 350 million liquidation, because yikes. This is a lot. That's a lot of liquidations. That's where are we going? Maybe. Maybe. We will see. Then back up. Yeah. I mean, the biggest problem I see is we have nothing up here to keep the party going. So, we come on back down here. We steal all that money and then we shoot back up. Makes a lot of sense. Gives also a lot of people a chance to get in. So, I could see something like that. After January, you say back up? I think we headed back up sooner than that. I think the Santa Claus rally will kick in. We end up getting that rally in late December. I mean, now that we're in the 80K range, 100K, it's a stone's throw away. So the 100K could be happening before year end. Yes, please dump. No, actually, a dump would be, like, a healthy correction would be welcomed. It's been absolutely insane. Till Trump's in office? I think the day Trump gets into office, that's where the sell-off comes. I think that's where the big sell-off comes, because not only is it going to be in the new year, but also it's going to be that sell the news type nonsense. And then all of a sudden, like, Trump's just going to announce, all right, we are officially buying Bitcoin. Then it's like, oh, wait a minute. We shouldn't have sold that. Take a gander at the big time trade that is doing nothing. Oof. Oof. Hate to see it. Hate to see it. Oh, we got some new people in the Discord. What is up? What is up? How you doing? Never mind. My Discord just looked weird. We did get some new people. Okay, we're good. Welcome in, Discordians. Welcome in. Get ready. Oh, I don't usually listen to this guy. I'll check it out later, though. The only reason I don't watch that guy's videos, who just posted that in Discord, I don't like his faces on his thumbnails. Ugh, it's all doom and gloom. I hate it. Anybody that shows me a doom face, I automatically don't click on their videos. Because I could care less. It's like, nope, I'm good. I don't need to watch it. All the pump. You lost money today? Oh, well, Thirsty, I lost a little bit of money today also. Because there was that random dip. I happened to put a trade in, then I took a nap. Yep, I fucked up on that one. Took a nap, got a loss, and the worst thing was, that was the trade just to like show my image on the copy trading for weeks. By the way, Thirsty, officially we can do the copy trading on weeks. First trade, we got smoked. Got absolutely smoked on the dip. It was terrible. It was absolutely terrible. Let me go over and show you what that thing looked like. I didn't expect it to happen, but it did. And then it V-shape recovered out, which is even worse. So this right here, I was expecting it. Maybe it would come down to around this area or something. No. It wicked down, stopped me out, because my stop loss was right here. It was at 1040. It wicked me out and then shot back up. My profit taking was right there, 1189. So, smoked me. It got me. It's terrible. But you know what? That's the life of trading. That is the life of trading. Luckily, I didn't lose that much. So, that's fine. Scrounge the money into copy trading. Yeah, only put in there what you're willing to lose, because once again, I'm not a 100% trader. Because things like this happen. These little wicks, it's terrible. But that wick got me. And then, at the same time, it got me on my Myro trade, because I raised my stop loss into profit. Really pissed about that. Have we looked at Kronos? No, we have not. ETH, 346, and then dump. You think it's going to get to 346, huh? I'm looking at 3351. 3351, maybe it goes slightly higher. So, I think we're in the same range, Savage. But yeah, Myro here, this thing could make me cry. Could make me cry. Look at this V shape. I had my stop loss literally at this demand line. Right there. It wicked me out and then shot up. I feel got. I feel got. Let's go ahead and close this trade out. Also, things aren't looking quite as bullish anymore. So we'll just close that. 146%, not terrible. Not great either. Normal trade. That happened to me today too. Yeah, it was just stupid V-shape. Caught me off guard. What is Kronos' ticker? Need more Sui? What is Kronos' ticker? Okay. I'm gonna be ending sometime soon. How is it? I got a beer. I got one. No, this will be the last one. Oh, if I can get my water. On Otto's table. Thank you. I thought that was Crypto.com. It's Kronos? I didn't know it was named Kronos. Go figure. Most trading volumes on OKX? Who would have thought? Who would have thought that? This is an ugly chart. This is an ugly chart. Thank you. Appreciate it. Alright, let's chart this thing out together. You're about to hit your 200 weekly moving average, so expect a little bit of resistance. But let's dive on in. Head first. Okay, this is a nasty looking chart. I don't like this chart. Hold on. I really don't like this chart. Let's check it out on Coinbase. Maybe it's cleaner. I don't like that chart. Ugh. I don't like this chart either. Hold on. Where was it first? Gate.io? Do you think it was there? Crypto.com? See, it is Crypto.com. I knew it. So there's two of them. There's Chronos and Crypto.com. Who would have thought? Let's check it out. MEXC. Yeah, that's better. Okay. All right. We're going to check it on MEXC. Still an ugly chart. Still gross. But. Yo, what's up, Rich? How you doing? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I guess I should mark out the next one. Should mark it out. Mark it out. All right, we got our levels. So as of this moment in time, I would expect Chronos to get to 17,628. Let's go out to the daily. You're not overbought on the weekly. You are overbought on the daily. It's kind of a shame. Also, another shame. Ooh, big shame. You broke above 9586 and you never formally back tested it. If you're topping out right here, expect that back test. Expect it. Your 4-hour time frame is it's cooked. Oh god, that's cooked. You have hidden bearish divergence all over the place. Oh my god. Yeah. Rising broadening wedge. Oh god. Ew. This is not fun. This is oh, it's so dirty. Oh god. Oof. Because he's anywhere between 17 to 30% downside. Let's go to lower time frames. Let's keep it going. Oh, God. Hidden bearish divergence on the 1 hour? Come on. Give me something. 15 overbought. What about the 5? Come on. Give me the 5. Yeah, the 5 minute. Let's go. All right, 5 minute. Let's see it. Let's go, baby. 5 minute. Are we breaking out? Are we breaking out? No. No, we're not. We're. Huh. I tried really hard to find something good. I tried really hard. Savage says, watch the next hour for Ethereum. You think Ethereum's about to pump a little bit? ADA pullback or pump? About convergent line. Really? Sloping channel on the daily. Let's go ahead and check out ADA. Chronos, maybe you're going to break out. We'll see. If it does break out, I'm guessing another test up here, then it falls down. I had to go all the way down to the 5 minute to find anything bullish. That's worrisome because you're not oversold. So, yeah. Let's check out ETH real fast, then we'll go to ADA. So ETH, we're seeing some sell pressure. Check what's more, longs or shorts. I don't even know where to look at that. And that's where it'll go. I don't even know where to look at that. But what I can say is you had a supply line that you have bearishly backtested. And you are falling. ETH was doing such a good job maintaining this line. You fell. You backtested once, backtested twice. I'm guessing someone just took the punch bowl. Official downtrend has begun. Where do I look for that? Savage, I don't even know where to look for the longs and the shorts on this thing. No idea. Yikes. ADA short. Still in play. Still in. Fuck this. I'm jumping into that. Fuck this. I'm shorting that bitch. No. Yes. You're up 80 on the short already. Nice. Liquidation heat map. I don't know if that I can look up the Ethereum on it. Can I? It's just a bunch of Bitcoin. I don't know how to look up another coin on here. Hold on. Give me 1 sec. I gotta finish this trade. Hold on. We're up 10%. Let's go. Liquidation 6027. 6027. Get it right above. Right above. So, Jesus. I don't want it right there. Let's go right here. 5983. We'll do that. 5983. $5983. Be a little bit of kick in the nuts if we lose this, but it's fine. It's perfectly fine. 5203. 5203. 5203. Wouldn't be bad. Just some good old-fashioned profit taking. Would not be bad whatsoever. Alright. Alright. Yeah, I don't know how to look up Ethereum on this thing. Is there a way I can change it? Opened. I need this trade to play out. Open to position. Like you. Oh, Savage, you're following my trade? Alright. Yeah, I'm 35x short on this bad boy. OP, good thing I got out of that trade. It's falling. Nice. We're going to see if ADA decides to stop me out right now. We shall see. We shall see. Ready up, players. Are we on the 15? Yeah, we're on the 15 minute. Here we go. Alright, so we're expecting this high not to be taken out. As long as it doesn't get taken out, this trade is golden. We are looking for something like this. Am I in the green still? Okay, I'm barely in the green right now. So let's raise this up right there. Alrighty, so we are currently in the red on the trade. We're looking for 11% downside. And I'm thinking I'm going to leave this trade open for a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't know if I'll leave it open all night, but I'll leave it open for a bit. We'll see. I still think it's about to drop. It's going to drop it like it's hot. Big old booty. Slipping out them jeans, you know. If it hits your target this stream, we're testing those donation ladies from the other night. That's funny. That's funny. This thing hits on my stream. It's not that much. It's 20 and 25 bucks. I think the $5 does it also. But we should probably zoom into the 5-minute. Get a better look for this ADA trade. Get a better look at it. So Crow's good to short. Maybe. Where do we look at this? MEXC? you're kind of waiting to see if it's going to break out or not. Since I had to go all the way down to the 5 minute, I'm leaning towards shorting it. But you know, the market's been crazy bullish. Crazy bullish. But yeah, everything on higher time frames says short this thing. Higher, even the 15 minutes, like short it, just short it. Enjoy the ride. We're going down, and you have the possibility of falling like 30%. Where I marked this thing out, it already started its descent, but on a shorter time frame, you're looking at something around 19% downside could happen. It's possible, but you would have to break these lows right here at 11,834. So possibly, once again, you're betting against an otherwise crazy bullish market. I don't recommend everybody do what I do. Me, I see a downtrend that is holding very strongly. We are down sloping, so yeah. It's about to get groovy in here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Short Doge. Let me see what Doge looks like. Like, once again, if Bitcoin decides it wants to start popping up again, all of the shorts are getting stopped out. Instant. All the shorts getting stopped out. Let's check the Doge. Hidden bearish divergence. You got your first lower high on the 15. I could see it. Shorting Doge is suicide? You're right. You're absolutely right. I can just see the argument for it. I can see the argument. You're still looking to hit 34 cents, though. Already did? Scalp short, maybe. Still risky. Of course it's risky. We're not traders because we don't risk. The risk is the best part. Alright, which one of you put over $1,000 in this trade? I'm just curious. Which one of you did it? I know somebody put too much in this short. I can feel it. Waking up every day is risky. I mean, some might say that. I want to know who put too much money in this short. Who did it? That was way too much strength. You're making me uncomfortable. Making me uncomfortable. See, LTK, people who believe that you're like the short is too risky generally are really high leverage. Just very high leverage, which would be very risky. You're right. 1,100x. How dare you? But on your 5 minute, you're showing all signs of rolling over right now. And on Doge, a quick scalp trade, you would be looking to take very low profits on a simple back test. Very low profits. You'd be looking at something like a 3.85% downside move. And then after that, you'd reassess. And then you could trade again. Reassess, then trade again. And then again and again and again. But then it's like, if you look at it on the daily, everybody would be like, why would I not short this? It's a straight line. Why? What? How's it risky at all to short a completely overbought asset? I should use bigger money. I'd probably be a better trader. I'd be more selective, possibly. ADA goes down. XP rate, what? Will go down. What's XP rise? What's that? Is that a meme coin on the ADA network? I feel like I got counter traded live on stream. Saudi Arabia in here? You're gonna stop me out. I can feel it. I can feel it. Saudi Arabia, they got that oil money. Oh, XRP? So yeah, ADA. It's a straight line also. We should be seeing 48.95 as just a common back test. It would make sense. Nah, bro, just started buying in 2018. That was a good time to buy. What the? I was in that bull run. You kidding me? Savage. You're like, I'm just sitting on, Safe Moon gains. No big deal. I bought Shiba Inu when it launched. Oh man. Good times. Good times. Oh man. No, I do love trading. And it's not even for like the money, if I'm being honest. I just like being right. It gives you this real like elitist feeling. You're like, I was right. I called the top. It's like, okay, all right, buddy, relax. I never bought crypto to hold. Came in trading 2018 at 19K BTC. Oh, nice. Got in at a pretty good time. Actually, actually, I did. Wow, bro. That's funny. ADA took a poop on BitBoy's face. He's always talking shit about it. Everybody talks shit about ADA. Everybody talks shit about ADA. It doesn't do anything until all of a sudden, one day, oh, it's up. I'll keep talking shit about it. The fact that it has like 90% of its supply staked, the hell is that? Why is everybody staking? Why aren't they like using it? Hell, South Korea, they actually had debit cards to be able to spend ADA back when I first got in the market. Trump and the owner are. Oh, they're commingling? Yeah. You 35x long Sui about an hour ago. I figure I was as. I may as well, if it's going to keep going up, well, see if the trend continues. So, Sui's in a league of its own right now. Sui managed to break out of a rising, broadening wedge. I have no idea how it pulled it off, but it did that. If it falls down now, hey, shit happens. But it should go up another 20% if it holds. It's kind of crazy. Everyone told me I was stupid and dumb for throwing away my money, buying, by the way. That's wild. So I bet during that last bull run, you're like, yeah, I'm stupid and dumb. Don't worry about it. You go over there and eat your salad. Go eat your salad. I'm going to go have some steaks. All right, ADA starting to try and fall. The distribution is currently happening. Now I just need a nice little market sell. Just give it to me one more time. Britney Spears this shit. Let's go. It will end. Halal? I can't read that. Halal. Halal. Damn. I never knew that would be such a hard word for me to say. Halal? You guys ever have that where like you read a word and you're like, why is that so difficult? Oh. Kind of like when you read awkward and you realize you can't read. You're like, damn. This trade with you tonight, we will both get those gains. I mean, if we get gains, nothing's ever guaranteed. Guaranteed, Cody. Nothing. Why does guaranteed not sound right to me? I'm losing my mind. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Today's the day. Today is the day I go clinically insane. It started with halal. Damn it. Alright, let's see if Bitcoin's going to give us some help on this pullback. Because if Bitcoin doesn't help us out right now, we are screwed. We are screwed. And it looks like Bitcoin wants to help. We're almost breaking down. Oh shit. No wonder. Looks like the buyers are trying to hang on tight. Oh damn. That breakdown looks like it's ready to happen. Oh, we're right on the edge too. This sucks. I'm gonna keep my eye on the ADA also. ADA is pushing up. Oh gosh. You're supposed to say you will win until you don't? I mean, sure. This is not a part of the copy trade. This is just my own personal trade. For the copy traders out there. Oh, let me see if I boosted my stats. Hold on. I only have 2 trades in the books. Hold on. Let me see. Real quick. Copy trade. In the copy trade section. Porky F. We boosted the stats slightly. Our loss is no longer 700. We gained 400 back. More like 300 back. But hey, we got some back. Win rate currently 50%. Let's go, baby. I've made 2 trades. I have 0 followers, so I lost nobody money. Also remember, you have $100 trade protection. So remember that. Remember that. $100 trade protection. Copy trading with me. Currently not down bad. Not down bad. And tomorrow, anybody who does join the copy trading with me over on Weeks, then yeah, you guys will see what my normal trading habits are like during the day. I normally will trade once, maybe twice in a day, and then I just kind of take my profits and run. That's normally what I do, but we'll see how tomorrow goes. It should be extremely volatile. Extremely volatile tomorrow. You use your $100 bonus on Weeks today. You longed SHIB at 50x. It was up 170 in 10 minutes. Nice. What do I think about Injective? Hoping accumulating zone is nearing the end. Would be good. Let me go check that out. What's the trade protection mean? So if I happen to mess up on a trade and I lose you money, you have $100 of trade protection where the exchange is going to refund you $100. So you have a trading protection on copy trading following me for your $100. Near will go up. I can imagine that. I can imagine that. All right, let's go ahead and check out Injective. At such a pivotal time, we're checking out Injective. Oof. Because if Bitcoin pops up real quick, our shorts are toast. They are toast. Injective looks like it's still trying to hit that 2778 level. Past that, if you manage to break it, $40, 66 cents. But your 4 hour, it needs to cool off. Understand, we are going into Monday. So that's the big thing. The first time or each time? Just the first time. First time you end up losing $100. Noted, you do have to go in and basically say, hey, I want this protection and agree to it. But yeah, it's just the first time. Noted. I don't lose that many trades. Damn. False move Monday. Yeah, Mondays, they're filled with just selling off. It's kind of obnoxious. But happens. Happens to the best of tokens. Is what it is. But yeah, so Injective on the 4 hour. It does look like it needs to reset, so hopefully you do just bounce around in here to reset. But it could pull back as low as this level down here at 2196, because that's where you were accumulating before. Would make a lot of sense to come down there. Would make a lot of sense. That was a nice V-shaped recovery. The only problem is you made a lower high. So you're expecting the downtrend possibly touching this for a second time. We're screwed on ADA. God damn it. We're screwed on ADA. Shit. Sorry, I'm super focused in on ADA right now. I'm hyper focused here. Mainly because I do have 35x on this short. I would prefer it to play out. I don't want to find support. As soon as I entered these shorts, we found support. So much support. It's crazy to me. You're at break even on ADA? Well, I'm not. I am not. If it decides to go up and touch that 200 simple moving average again on the 5 minute, toast. Toaster strudel. You got stopped out on Crow? Stop loss at break even? Oh, I don't do that. I want to see this thing actually move first. I don't move my stop loss until I'm like past the 618. Once I get past that, we're good. Yeah, BTC is screwing over our trade. It is just so gosh darn strong. Look at this nonsense. Finding bids right there, just obnoxious. Absolutely obnoxious. Oh, ADA taking a hit suddenly. Maybe the trade is safe. Maybe it's safe. You're in it deep. Don't want to lose. I don't want to lose either. I don't want to lose either. I just want that demand line to hold. That's it. Just hold. And then force the damn thing down. Bitcoin. Come on. You're playing with our heart. What are we doing here? Let's go, Bitcoin. Come on. Roll over. Fall down. You even have hidden bearish divergence on your 5 minute. Come on. You have triple hidden bearish divergence. Let's go. Roll over, damn it. Oh my gosh. We get Bitcoin to follow this 3%. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. But if this thing breaks to the upside, oh my goodness. Rally on. Oh man. Currently on the ADA trade, I am down 18%. Ugh, it looks so bleak. No. Hey, wait, did I get another daily spin? Hold on, I gotta check. Not yet. Not yet. My trading volume's a little low today. Because I was sitting in that damn Miro trade for so long. I was in Miro for way too long. Oh, damn it. ADA's catching bids. No. Down 40%. What are we doing here? ADA is catching a lot of bids. Holy shit. Oh, these are the times that are my favorite in the market. Because you're just sitting here like, what's going to happen? Is it going up? Is it going down? What are we doing? Oh, man. Bitcoin starts falling here. Woo! I'll be like, later, buddy. See you on Monday. Yeah, it's set almost perfectly to go down. Almost perfect. What is ADA doing? ADA only showing strength. Only showing strength. Look at that nonsense. Oh my god. Probably start falling after you got stopped out. That's usually how it goes. You know, that's life of a trader. Life of a trader right there. Like, we haven't seen Bitcoin this stagnant this entire run. We haven't seen that. It does look like the buyers could be getting a little exhausted. It does look like it. Suddenly, spike up, market buy. You're like, what was that? Oh, man. So you guys can see now why it's like I wouldn't be able to sleep. What's going on, people? Hope everyone's doing good. Smash the likes. Yeah, do what he said. We're all in an ADA trade, and we're watching Bitcoin not roll over. And it's probably going to stop us out of our trade. Holy shit. Closer we get to this green line, the worse it is for me. My liquidation price is 62.7. Yikes. It'll be an awful kick in the nuts if I get stopped out and then it falls. It'll be a complete kick in the nuts. Oh man, we're getting kicked in the nuts hard. Oh boy. That was terrible. Get the hell out of here. Even here, you can see the downtrend. You can see it. You just don't want to break that downtrend. Total market cap crypto at peak of the bull run. Would love to hear your thought process. Thank you. Peak of the bull run. I have no idea. Cause the peak could, honestly, sky's the limit there. Troy? What about Troy? It was a great movie. It was awesome. Are you telling me to look at a crypto right now? Or waiting to see if Bitcoin's gonna fall out of its rising wedge? Or not? Is that what you're telling me? Oh shit. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out. I can feel it. I'm getting stopped out. This is gonna be terrible. Oh, such sweet sorrow. Yeah? Looking at the chart for Troy. Oh my gosh. Sell it, sell it, sell it. It's gonna pump. Well, if you already know it's gonna pump, we don't gotta look at it. Are you saying that Bitcoin's gonna pump? No. I hope not. I hope it falls. I hope it just starts taking market cap away from everyone. Come on, ADA. Come on. Oh, we're getting stopped out for sure, dog. It was a good setup, but you know, nothing is certain. Nothing is certain. And if Bitcoin doesn't want to stop rallying, what are we doing? Bitcoin just still rallying. Oh my god. I mean, it's Bitcoin that's against us right now. It's not even ADA. It's just Bitcoin. How to set up weeks? I don't understand what you're saying. You just gotta fund your account, move your USDT into your futures. I want to say futures, and/or go into copy trading, and then see what you got to do in there. Fuck, this thing is about to break out. Really? Fuck you, Bitcoin. Are we serious? No way. Bitcoin is still out here ruining shorts. Oh. It's soiling more underwear than friggin' Tom Cruise. You serious? Too bad. Dogecoin for the win. What do you get on the spin? It'll give you some USDT to trade in futures, maybe some Weeks tokens, maybe some GOAT token. Kind of depends. Oh my Lanta. We're not stopped out yet. It's funded. Nice. Sorry, I'm completely distracted, guys. That green line is my stop loss, and I don't want it to hit. I would much prefer if this demand line would actually hold, but here we are, not holding the demand line. Oh, that's what I get for shorting ADA. That's what I get. We're getting the breakout. Wow. Wow. What a shame. What a golly gosh darn shame it is. And that's all because Bitcoin's damn ass kept coming up. Ugh. It hurts so bad. And then I'm going to wake up tomorrow. It's going to be down like 10%. Oh, it's going to suck. Going back to ADA, you can see how close it is to stopping us out. We are on the breakout right now. Oh, wait. Are we getting saved? What the fuck? We're getting saved? No way. No way we're getting saved. Are we? Damn, that 5 minute. That's stochastic. It, reset pretty darn fast. I mean, I could raise my stop loss up very slightly, but not by much. ADA has mercy. It might, but man, it is scaring me right now. It is scaring the bejeebers out of me. Dude, I hate that. Getting stopped out, that, oh yeah, it sucks. It sucks when you get stopped out, then it reverses. But if this thing could just start falling, oh, that'll make me so happy. That'll make me so very happy. You sold your ADA to save all of us. Oh, thank you, Chris. ETFs usually buy early in the week. That's true. We're just on this nail biter of a trade. I know somebody told me to go look at something, but I just want this thing to move to the downside. Oh, are we getting it? Are we getting it? Come on, baby. Troy. I want me to look at Troy. Look at that. Are we getting saved? Oh my god. Is the demand line holding? Oh my Lanta? Oh, stop turning green. I'll just chalk this off as we're getting stopped out, but I am not closing the trade. We're going to hear the damn beep. I want to hear it. Add to position here. Nope, not doing it. I made my bed. I'm going to lie in it. I'm expecting a lower high than these candle closes. I'm zoomed all the way in on the 5 minute. You want to see what this thing looks like on the 15? This 15 is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. There's no reason it should pop up there. You're back, man. Let's go. You bought some ARM Tesla holding your coin. Let's see what the markets do tomorrow. Nice. I think now it's a good time to buy some ADA. Oh my goodness. Now you guys know why I don't trade large sums while live. Now you know. Bullish divergence on the 5 minute. I didn't even see it. I didn't look. I've gotten wrecked from that before. What the fuck you mean bullish divert? Where? Oh shit, you're right. MACD, bullish divergence. Selling pressure's waning. You know what? They can still sell it off. We got a high stochastic. The stochastic can take over. I'm spreading hopium. I'm spreading the hopium. Buy AVAX. AVAX is a pretty good spot. AVAX is a pretty good spot. We got to check out Troy. Let's go to Troy. We're going to zoom through Troy. You just bounced off your 200 weekly moving average. You have a bit of resistance literally where you're sitting. Oh shit. Literally where you're sitting, you're at a bit of resistance. You're overbought on the weekly. Expect Troy to have some issues at this level. Because being overbought on the weekly is kind of a big deal. Means you're ready for a pullback. Ready for a pullback, and if it does pull back, I would be looking for 3379 for Troy. Going out to your daily. Oh my gosh. Look at this. The demand line is holding. Let's go. All right, sorry. A little too excited. Sorry. Could I look at Wojak? Just subbed? Yo, Easy Eats. Sure. Got you covered. Thanks for the sub. I appreciate you. We're well on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Please join us. I need it. I need to monetize this thing. Because it's a for-profit stream. Just saying. Just saying. Anyways. Your 4 hour says you want to break out. I don't know how much you're going to break out on, but your 4 hour says it's going to happen. Because you not only broke out, you back tested. This is nice to see. Easy Eats, you're awesome. Thank you. Appreciate you. So on Troy, we could see it go up to 6341, but if Pumpnomics actually starts getting hit, then we could see it go. I didn't even mark out where it could go. Oh my god. But yeah, if this thing keeps going, we could see it. Cantaloupe closes here. Getting up to 6973. 6973 to 8172. You got a nice little pocket right there. So it's a good little area for the price to stop if you do get this break. So it looks pretty good. Now a good time to buy. CT, not a good time to buy. We're literally shorting ADA. Like, you came in right as, like, we're shorting it. We're expecting price to go down. If you start buying it, I'm going to be a little angry. I'm just kidding. You can do what you want. But we are expecting a 10% drop all the way down here. And it's trying its damnedest to stop us out. But it's failing. It's failing miserably. It's going to keep failing. It's just going to go down. Alright, that's Troy for you. Troy, if you manage to get that breakout, I would think that it's going to be short-lived and possibly go up here and test this 6973 and consolidate around this level. If you get a pullback, the pullback should bring you all the way down to 3379. So that's what I see out of Troy. Hopefully that helps you out. Once again, guys, we're expecting Bitcoin to be pulling back. So buying into altcoins right now, probably a bad idea. Probably not the best idea. And when I say we're expecting a pullback, I mean we're like staring at it, like trying its hardest not to get pulled down. It's trying its absolute damnedest not to get pulled down. But we are just here waiting for it. We're like hungry little hippos, just ready to eat. Ready to eat some losses. Dude, BTC doesn't stop going up when you think it will curl over. I mean, seriously, that's what's happening. But luckily now it's starting to go up, and at least it's diverging from ADA. I'm almost back in the green. Almost back in the green. We're close. I'm only down 23%. Whew, that was a close one. That one puckered up my butthole right there, I'll tell you what. That was scary. We're not out of the woods, though. We're not out of the woods. Because if ADA starts resetting fast, oof. It's going to be terrible. I need this thing to reset super slow. I mean slow. While it's just dumping hard. That's what I need. Gosh. I almost had to call the cops. I was getting abused out here. Markets, I swear. Oh, looks like Bitcoin's starting to give it up. Let's go. Let's go. Starting to give it up, Bitcoin. Let's go. Don't check Bitcoin then. I'm checking Bitcoin nonstop. You kidding me? You kidding me, bro? You got to realize the faster Bitcoin drops, the more I know ADA is going to fall. like Bitcoin falls out of this, I'm like, let's go. And then see Bitcoin go like, yink. I'm like, we're good. Is it okay to buy 3 or 5x leverage trade and hold it for like a week? Yeah, you can. You just got to make sure your stop loss is low enough, because what happens is you accumulate fees over time. Yeah, Rich, a good thing you should do before you start trading in any given day, check Bitcoin first. So when you check Bitcoin, if Bitcoin looks like it's going to go up, you're going to have a bias while looking at all of your coins to the upside. That's all it is. Could coin be affected by Bitcoin dumping? It could, but not by much. So coin already broke out of its consolidation. You're expecting it to go up. It doesn't really matter. You see how much this thing played with our hearts? Did you see that? We have it here live. It was playing with our hearts. It was making us shake. We're still down 2%. ADA, I was making a speech. Can you not? Damn. Never mind. Speaking of fee, your Buy DeFi account was upgraded to VIP 1. Lower trading fees. Very nice, Cody. Cody, I don't remember if you signed up under me, but I'm giving everybody 10% rebates if you sign up using my link. So if you have another email address, you might want to do that. Okay, I guess I'm just trying to bring all the knowledge you are teaching together, building your knowledge base, all of this. It's all good, man. Alex Heff. So basically when BTC dumps next, put my whole bank account on it. Whoa. No one ever said that. No one ever said that. All I'm saying is, when Bitcoin dumps, you have a bias that altcoins are going to dump. I'm just saying it's a bias. I'm not saying it'll happen, because there are some that outperform. But yeah, anyways. ADA looks bearish. Fuck yeah, it looks bearish. That's why we shorted it. What? Are we serious? Bitcoin trying to hit 82K. Bitcoin can kiss my ass right now. It can pull back. Correction to 54 cents. You think it'll be 54? I think it's lower. Yeah, ADA, I have my target down at 52.03. 52.03 is my target. By the way, Alex, new name. Hello, welcome in. I don't think I've seen you in chat before. Hopefully your trades have been going well. Hopefully things are going awesome in your world. Welcome in. I get incorrect invitation code with weeks. Oh, use the code. Let me see what it is. The fuck is it? Hold on. Hold on a second. Use code CG2Y. Let me put that in chat real quick. Whoops. Let me put this in chat real fast. Here is the code you should use. There you go. C6G2Y. That's what we're looking for. Yes, use the YouTube link in the description. It works very well. Alex, hey buddy. Just looking for a good point to long BTC. Also, can you check SHIB? I got you covered. Now that my trade's looking better, also, I don't think it's a good idea to long Bitcoin right now at all. Simply put, it has gone on an amazing run over a weekend. So therefore, there is a CME futures gap that we have to worry about. You are currently in a rising wedge pattern that you are breaking down from. We are expecting a 3.46% downside move on a measured move down, but it could overperform based off the CME futures gap. That's the one that didn't work. What the hell, Chris? What are we talking about? No way. No way, brother. Alright, so this is the giant CME futures gap that we have. You can see it on the daily because that's really all that matters. People will talk about gaps on the 4 hour. They can kick rocks. They don't matter. But your gap will not be filled until you hit $77,940. We would prefer if Bitcoin cooled off, filled that gap, and then we continued to the upside. That would be preferred, and it's looking like a great spot to go long might be around 73,285. Dream Tanks, you stop it. There's no freaking way. Oh, it's about to run higher right now. What? You stop it right now. You're trying to ruin my trade. Dang. Alright, let's go ahead and look at Shiba. So SHIB had an absolutely ripping day. Absolute ripping. But it looks like you hit some overhead resistance. You hit some overhead resistance. Let's go down to your 4 hour. You're overbought on the daily also, so this thing could consolidate for a while. It could. Now, based off a fib retracement, you have already gotten your 50% retrace a couple times. You do have support on the daily based off your candle closes. I'm sorry, your 4 hour based off your candle closes right at 2539. Noted, Shiba does have a target it's aiming for based off an absolute massive falling wedge that it broke out of. So you are still aiming for 3854. If you're already holding SHIB, continue to hold. You still have more upside to go. But it does look like a consolidation could be happening. Not sure if you answer these types of questions, but what are some of your larger spot holds? Right now, it's Bitcoin, Solana, Kava, eGold, and C98. Those are my bigger ones at the moment. I also hold a shit ton of AVAX, FTM, OP, and I hold a lot of tokens. I hold a lot of tokens. So, but no, my bigger ones right now, I'm going to show you why they're my bigger ones. So, eGold, I think, is closest on this list. Where it's sitting, I made a YouTube video about this. W Porky, new sub. Alex, thank you so much for the new sub. The reason why I have eGold, I made a video about this last week, I believe, that eGold was sitting in an absolute amazing spot called a swing trader's dream. If you go out to the weekly on this bad boy, you can see you fell harshly all the way down to this level down here. You had a beautiful run, double top, came back down, same level, even got the slightly lower low, which created the hidden bullish divergence on the weekly. This is a swing trader's dream. I have two levels that I'm going to be selling off at. First level is 67.25. Second level is 131.17. So the reason why I have that, it's basically selling half my bag here and then selling a quarter here. Then I keep a moon list. So the moon bag, it just goes, and I'll see where it ends. When I find that weekly hidden bearish divergence, normally I sell it all off. Looking at actually I passed C98, so we're gonna check out C98. Why I liked it so much. You can see on the weekly, this thing looks absolutely disgusting. Nobody's looking at this thing at all. But same scenario. You fell down once, you popped up, you fell down twice, the lower low, and if you look at relative strength, you are about the same. So it's a little bit of bullish convergence. You are expecting anywhere between these three levels, 141, 253, and 389. So then we can go down to Kava. E-Gold was one of your faves last bull run. Nice. And then if we go down to Kava, where are my K's at? There we are. So we're going down to Kava, and you're going to see the exact same setup. You fell down once, you chopped, you made all-time lows. Your relative strength, I'm going to have to zoom in here so you can see this. Hidden bullish divergence. So when I see this weekly hidden bullish divergence, I get crazy FOMO. I mean, it's like really bad. I start panic buying, and I just keep buying. And yeah. So first target, 237% upside at $1.20. Second target is this right here at 727% upside. You are looking for $2.93. So those are the reasons why I grab tokens that look like this. I need that second test. Once you get the second test, game on, buddy. Game on. Now, one that's sitting in the chamber that I'm waiting for, I'm honestly waiting for it, CRO took the fuck off. Holy shit. I was expecting that thing to go down. What the fuck happened? Wow. Alright. So, Casper is sitting in the chamber. I am waiting to see what the hell it does, because this is getting my jollies going. A little bit. A little bit. If we can get a break and a back test of this level, that will be absolutely amazing to me, because then we can actually get some form of bottom made. We don't have any form of hidden bullish divergence. Well, I mean, I guess technically it's trying to have some form of hidden bullish divergence, but I don't trust this. I want to see it go up, even if it goes all the way up here and pulls back down here. On that next test down, I'm going to be gathering up Casper token like there's no tomorrow. But as of right now, we're just waiting, because look at how devastated this thing got. This is obnoxious. Like, what the hell? Also, I was looking at Casper and I was like, who bought all the... Somebody deserves the Nobel Peace Prize of exit liquidity. How the heck are you going to buy a Casper token at $30? How are you going to do that to yourself? That's wild. That's actually wild. So yeah, this one's lying in wait. I'm going to be just keeping tabs on this. Probably around Christmas, this might be a buy. We'll see. But it's on the radar. Alright, now I really got to see what the hell just happened. What just happened over here? What was that? Excuse me? CRO? Are we sure? You sure? Wow. That really just did that. That is crazy. While Bitcoin's falling, it really just did that. Crypto Naughty, yo, what is up? How you doing? Wow. You're just making the lower high there? That is nuts. Oh my god. What? Look at that 5 minute. Oh my Lanta. Really? I didn't expect that. I did not expect that. That is a shocker. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. That is actually crazy. But, All right, so going back to Bitcoin and the short I was talking about. Yeah. Hey, you guys want to fight me? Fight me. Fight me. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so Bitcoin, it's still set up to go down. Noted. It is subject to change. Asia is now trading, and they could poop on the parade. They really could. They could send some dirty old turd nuggets in your Cocoa Puffs. But the positive note, the real positive winner here, it's ADA. ADA is the real winner. It didn't stop us out. We're still looking for that 10%, 11% downside. The hope is real. The hope is real. I love it. Absolutely love it. Whew. We're up 35%. We went from the bottom, now we're here. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh. Never financial advice. Only for entertainment. I gotta preface that one. Also, if you guys have not done so, please hit the like. That would be good. That would be good. Maybe subscribe if you haven't done so. Also, check the description. Join the Discord. Discord's a great place to be. You're up 58. Let's go. Percent. Okay, all right. You know, you mentioned where you were from. I was about to think, you're up $58,000? Damn, brother. Great call. Hey, man. I trade every day. I trade literally every day. And also, with me doing these live stream trades, when it comes to the copy trades, you can understand how I can get caught off guard. Especially by sudden dips in the middle of the day, which, God, that one, I'm still a little chapped on that one. That one was terrible. But, it is what it is. If you guys are interested in copy trading, make an account on Weeks. Do you have a membership group? No. No, I don't. No, I do not. Everything for me is free. Everything for me is free. So, if you have any questions, just jump in the Discord and ask. Jump in Discord. If you want me to check out a chart, I have a specific chart request tab. I keep it all free simply because I actually do make money from trading. And on top of all that, if you feel like supporting the stream, there's a link in there that you can decide to dono, or you can just do me a huge favor and start making a ton of money over there on Weeks or buy DeFi by way of taking some trade setups. Even Dex Screener is free. Don't you lie, Crypto Naughty. Don't you lie at all. Dex Screener is not free. I'm not going over there. That is a $5 minimum. Nope. You gotta pay to play for me to go there. I ain't going to Dex Screener. Dex Screener sucks. Is Sui too late to short, Chris? Let's check Sui. Did it fall back in? Because honestly, Sui, I'm expecting it to go up now. Wait, that's Sundog. That's not even Sui. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm still expecting Sui to go up. So we're going to see if it can break. It did break back in. Oh, shit. You're at a great spot for shorting. You're at a great spot for shorting if this thing's going... Oh, it has hidden bearish divergence. Wait a minute. Yeah, you're at a great spot for shorting. The short on this thing it's huge. It's actually huge. The short on Sui could be huge. XRP down? Yeah, that makes sense. Once again, if Bitcoin's going to fall down, it's going to usually drag the market down with it. A normal retrace for Sui right now would be 24%. Over time, of course. But remember, Sui is a different animal. This thing is crazy. Actually crazy. But yeah, you could see Sui come all the way down there. Back to this consolidation range. Should we hop on Sui? I do not trade Sui. I do not trade it. Sui, I would think, buy the dip. That's all I think. Because every time I tried to trade this thing, I can only be in it for like 1 to 2%, then it reverses. And I'm like, well, what is this? What? It's terrible. Yeah, so Sui is one that I'll look at the chart. I will never trade it. No, no, no. Shorting Sui is not good. It's really not. It just wrecks you. Damn, the whole market's getting red now. Whole market getting toasted. What the hell is this thing? Merle? Merle? I don't know what that is. It's up 16% though. Oh, by the way, this entire watch list I'm scrolling through, these are all the trading pairs that Weeks offers. All of these things. Memes, regular tokens, garbage token, all of them. You can leverage all of these. And some of them, the amount you can leverage is kind of shocking. On a meme coin, I could leverage like 200x. I was in awe. I was like, what the really? Sure. So if your degeniousness is out there and it's ready, Weeks is for you. It is your FYP, buddy. It is your FYP. Oh yeah, Bitcoin giving us some breathing room on the ADA trade. Oh boy. It's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Just absolute. It's like a chef's kiss. Alright, everybody. Well, I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to get on out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I will be back tomorrow. I do stream every single day. If you haven't done so, please do me a massive favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and yeah, tune in for all the videos and all the whatnot. Join Discord. You get linked into whenever I find cool trade setups that I think could pan out. You also get notified when I go live. You get notified when I post videos. But other than that, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to let me know in the Discord. Anyways, I'm jumping on out of here. Hopefully you guys have a fantastic rest of your evening. Wish us all the best of luck on this ADA trade. I'm going to leave it open for a while. Hopefully it doesn't reverse. It's early. We just started the party. Oh boy. Do I think BTC will retrace to 74k? Maybe. I don't know. I really don't know. I have a measured move here to 78,693. That's all I can tell you. Measured move to that. We'll see if it happens. Once again, this market has been absolutely crazy bullish. It could turn around anytime. Anytime. What I'll leave you on is what your demand line currently looks like. And your demand line currently, at this very second, is looking like this. Right there. So anything close to that demand line could possibly be an opportunity to short. I'm saying could possibly because once again, we've seen some absolute crazy things happen this weekend. But anyways, everybody, have a great night's sleep. Do not stress about your trades. Get some rest. Rest is important. And if you need, go get some melatonin. You'll be alright. Alright, I'm out of here. Deuces. Much love. I will catch you later. Keep those stop losses tight, everybody.